need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
What's up everyone? So in today's video, I will be showing you an inexpensive method to estimate your body fat percent. So there are numerous methods with which you will be able to estimate the body fat percentage, and every method has their own advantages and disadvantages. But in this video, I will be showing you how it's done using a Skinfold calipers. So there are two methods with which you can use this Skinfold calipers to estimate your body fat percent. Either you can go for a 3-side Jackson and Pollock's fat test, or you can go for a 7-side test. But the advantage with the 3-side test method is that you will be able to estimate the body fat percent without the assistance of anyone else. So you can do it on yourself. But in case of the 7-side method, you will require the assistance of someone else to take the Skinfold readings. So there are some error rates with the Skinfold calipers. You might not get the accurate reading of your fat percent, but it's a good way to start and estimate the body fat percent and check your progress as you are doing your workouts and following a good meal plan regularly. And since these Skinfold calipers are dependent on the subcutaneous fat, which is the first fat layer beneath our skin, so there might be some errors with the people who are extremely lean, that is below 10%, or if you are overweight, that is if you are obese or above 30% for males. Females, the fat percent might change, but you will also get the errors in the reading if you are extremely lean or extremely fat. And for others, those who are lying in between this range, this method can give you a good estimation of your fat percent. So to estimate the body fat percentage using the 3-side method, what you have to do is you have to just take 3 Skinfold measurements on 3 different locations, and then using the Jackson-Pollock's formula and inputting these readings into that, you can estimate the body fat percentage. So for the males and the females, the way with which the readings are taken is almost similar, but the formula and the site at which we are taking the Skinfold measurements are different. So in case of the males, we are taking the readings on the chest, abdominal and the thigh region. And in case of the females, we will be taking the readings on the triceps, suprailiac region and the thighs. So let's see how to use this Skinfold calipers to estimate your body fat percentage using the 3-side method. So the first reading would be obtained from the chest. So you have to take a Skinfold measurement halfway between the nipple and the upper portion of the pectoral muscles from the armpit. So you have to take 3 readings here so that we can get more accuracy and take the average and note it down. So the second reading would be taken from the abdominal region. So here you have to take a vertical fold reading just 1 inch away from the belly button. So again we will be taking 3 readings here and just inputting the average of all these 3 readings. So the third reading would be taken from the thigh. So here you have to take a vertical fold reading just in between the kneecap and the inguinal crease. Inguinal crease is the point where your thigh attaches the hips. Again we will be taking 3 readings and making an average of them to input it into the formula. For females, the location from which the Skinfold measurements are taken are as follows. So the first location would be the triceps. So you have to take a vertical Skinfold halfway between your elbows and the upper portion of your shoulders. The second reading would be taken from the suprailiac region. This is the region just above the upward and forward protrusion of the hip bone, where you can sense the hip bone just underneath the skin. And the third reading would be taken on the thighs, which is similar to the males, in between your kneecap and the inguinal crease. So once you get the average reading of all these 3 sites, then you can directly put it into the online calculator, or you can manually feed into the formula and calculate your fat percent. So let's see how it's done. So this is the online calculator from which you will be able to calculate the fat percent directly by just feeding the average value of all the Skinfold measurements which we have taken already. So as you can see here, I filled all the information in this calculator and got my fat percent as 11.68, which is almost similar to all the readings from other fat tests which I have done previously. You will also find a similar calculator to estimate the fat percentage for females and also the other 7-side test methods here. You can check out the link in the video description. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this information valuable, and if you did, then give this video a like, share with everyone, and comment below if you have any further queries while calculating your fat percentage. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.